Top 20 engineering branches available in India. 1. Mechanical engineering. Focuses on the design, analysis, and manufacturing of mechanical systems and components. 2. Civil engineering. Involves the design, construction, and maintenance of infrastructure projects like buildings, roads, bridges, and more. 3. Electrical engineering. Deals with the study and application of electrical systems, electronics, and power generation. 4. Computer science engineering. Focuses on software development, computer programming, and technology-related applications. 5. Electronics and communication engineering. Concentrates on electronic systems, communication networks, and technologies. 6. Information technology. Similar to computer science engineering, but with a focus on information management and technology applications. 7. Chemical engineering. Involves the study of chemical processes, materials, and their applications in industries. 8. Aerospace engineering. Concentrates on aircraft and spacecraft design, development, and testing. 9. Biotechnology engineering. Involves the use of biological and chemical principles to develop products and processes. 10. Environmental engineering. Focuses on solutions for environmental challenges, pollution control, and sustainable practices. 11. Mechatronics engineering. Integrates mechanical, electronics, and computer science principles to design smart systems and products. 12. Automobile engineering. Deals with the design, manufacturing, and maintenance of automobiles. 13. Petroleum engineering. Focuses on the exploration, extraction, and processing of petroleum resources. 14. Marine engineering. Involves the design, construction, and maintenance of ships and offshore structures. 15. Robotics engineering. Concentrates on the design and development of robotic systems for various applications. 16. Instrumentation engineering. Involves the study of measurement and control systems in industries. 17. Textile engineering. Focuses on the design and production of textiles, fabrics, and related materials. 18. Nuclear engineering. Deals with the applications of nuclear energy and radiation in various industries. 19. Metallurgical engineering. Concentrates on the study of metals, alloys, and their processing. 20. Biochemical engineering. Focuses on the use of chemical engineering principles in biological and medical applications.